Hey there, put together this video from when we were doing a little stay on a pecan farm in northeastern New South Wales, Australia. Man, it was awesome times. They had about 1,400 pecan trees on the
There's Farmer Frank
farm. It was about 125 or 200 hectares. I forget exactly. A lot of cows. Awesome times. Enjoy the video, and you'll see the whole pecan processing process.
I'm pretty excited. Look at all these animals. We got an orphan here.
Yeah. No, it doesn't happen very often. But, you know, well, special calf, special mother.
Right.
It was just a bit of a pet. So, yeah, it's sort of, it doesn't happen very often. Out of the orchard after harvesting the machine, they go through that machine that turns on, turns around, and a lot of the rubbish, just sort of little bits of dirt and stuff comes out, and then it drops into this receiver here, and then we store it. We put it over this sorting table.
Yeah.
Andrea does that and sort of pulls out. You know, all of this is rubbish that's coming from the table, sticks.
Okay.
And then it goes into these. This is what we'll be doing today, is emptying these. There's 5 different sections, and this is our dryer. So the fan on top, and see the sun comes in here, warms the air in this sort of room, and that fan sucks the warm air through and dries the nuts. So they've been in there since May, really. They're well dry now, so we need to empty them out.
Do they have the shells on them still?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we store them in shell, and we just shell them out every week for the markets. So they're fresh every week, which is makes a big difference.
Sure, yeah. Fresh.
So,
oh, we got a little pecan here.
These guys all ready?
Woo! Pecan.
So come up that elevator and come into the side here. Turn the side on, the switch is here. Not length, thickness.
Right there.
Yeah.
Nice.
So that's a number 5. That's your big fat one, and it's because the cracker, the little cracker works. There's a little pocket there. That pocket. There's 13 of those that keep coming around. They pick up the pecans, and at the top they'll flip them into the pocket, and that pocket's just the right size to hold them. And as they come down, those brass things at the side, they centre it, so make it sure it's sitting nicely like that. And then that die comes in and just holds it nice and firmly, and in that die there's a little pin, and that comes in and just cracks them. And that just cracks them, that's all it does.
It's a cracker.
I'll show you. So yeah, that's just crack. And then they go up all through here, and then it goes into that blue machine, which is the shell.
Woo! That's for the orphan there.
Drying fan.
Okay, alright.
It's nuts.
Okay, if you want to turn these on. So just so
This guy?
Yep.
And this guy.
The lower one. Yep.
Okay.
Okay. Alright.
Oh, look at them going.
So this
Got some force?
Yeah. So this is we'll empty one of this on first. So, that's about how much you want. It fills up any more than that. You just need to sort of just keep it nice.
Let's just see what's going on back in here. On my phone, and they go up there. Hey, cows! Howdy, cows! I'm your farmer. Let them go. Look at this guy coming in for our nutters.
He's like, give me my food.
Hey there, 432. You want some pecan, don't he? You better not go for size 4s over there. We got a nice group of 3s here. All right, buddy, back on the. You go back to the pack.